Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Alright, it's Trump International speaking factual. We cutting holes in the mattress, stuffing cash through. Smooth operator say you're cool. Rooftop at the W, they wonder who are you. Love bracelets pay for jewels. Cartier, yeah, she get the pad. That rose gold got a glow. You know them hoes there.
Welcome home, Columbia. Beautiful, beautiful.
Good day, sir. How are you? Wonderful, wonderful. Beautiful fall day. Yes. Yeah, you hear the kids outside playing. Isn't it a wonderful thing? How was your day? I haven't been seeing you often in the last few days. Oh, they changed your shift.
You wouldn't understand. Honestly.
Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Playing Nipsey and this bitch loud, nigga. Before we stick you up, you need to get down with us. Shit was crazy, maybe blick down niggas. Small circles, you can't fit round with us. Listen, this is square business. We cut it with the fit, this shit ridiculous. Dried on the dinner plate and stain the dishes. Lynn about to have a fit, I'm a bitch. Heavy Black had the batteries, he jabbed me in the back. Talking all that white, boy, you hot, that's a fact.
Just like they open the gateway for all these fools who cannot think. A lot of these so-called genius rap artists and genius movie producers from our people who are giving, they're gonna do everything they can. They're gonna give more and more and more to keep you away from Allah, to keep your mind away from Aiza El Amin, away from the Christ, the true Christ, to keep you away from the concept and your vision about what's really going on today. Because Allah ain't no fake. The people gonna find out that Allah is, that Aiza El Amin is real, that this day of destruction is real. They gonna be in soup lines before they know.